This should be soggy. It's not. Here's how. Panko goes in dry. Olive oil 2 to 3 minutes, stirring till golden. Then season off the heat so the seasoning doesn't burn. Set it aside. It actually gets crispier as it cools. That's the trick. Boneless thighs, cut smaller pieces, cook faster. Toss with olive oil, the seasoning blend, and minced garlic. So how do you cook raw pasta, chicken, and the sauce in the same pan without one of them turning to mush? The proper way. Sear 4 to 5 minutes just for color. Then pull them out and set aside. Don't fully cook them, they will finish in the sauce later. That's how they stay juicy instead of cooking twice. Now marinara and broth in, then the pasta goes straight into the sauce. We're going to cover it, stirring occasionally until the pasta is done. If the sauce gets thick before the pasta is done, add splash of broth and more marinara sauce if you like it saucier. Once the pasta and sauce are nearly done, return the chicken back to the skillet and cook until fully cooked through. Now mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top, and then some crushed red peppers, optional. Then heat slightly up, splash of water, then cover just long enough to melt cheeses. Now turn the heat off and the panko mixtures goes back on top. And now garnish with fresh chopped parsley or basil and enjoy. Saucy pasta, juicy chicken, melted cheese, and a crispy topping that never had a chance to go soft. If you're new here and found value in this video, like and subscribe and watch one of the videos on the screen next. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Take care.